Yerligi is a small village in Gadag district. Government primary school teachers of this village are committed to provide quality education to all the children. Children of this school are very happy on Saturdays because they come to school without bag. Saturday is a fun day. No Bag Day, a new concept of co-curricular activities shared by Vivekanand Gaud Patil. He adopted the school for experiment. He motivated the headmaster and teachers to organize various activities which are providing platform for the children to express, explore, explain and experience new ideas. He discussed the present situation in the schools. All the school activities are concentrating on textbook and examination. So we need to think in different way to develop creativity among the students. Identified 22 activities for No Bag Day. They agreed to implement these activities. 7 activities for a week. All the 200 children are divided into 7 houses. Quiz, pick and speak, drawing and painting, poem and story writing, playing musical instruments, clay modeling, dancing, role play, rangoli, seminar on various subjects, essay writing, book introduction, observing national days, language games, riddles, science experiment, preparation wall magazine, jatas, rural games, debate. Out of 22 activities, every Saturday 7 activities are organized. Each group has different activity. In a year, all the groups participate in 22 activities and they get experience learning by doing. No Bag Day activities are implemented to lessen the burden of bag once in a week. Encourage all students to participate in co-curricular activities, strengthening knowledge formation concept and application level. To give support to the children's creativity, extending the learning from textbooks to environment, developing skills like singing, speaking, acting and creative writing, etc. Using abundant knowledge of local people, inviting them to school and sharing their talent and experience in various fields. School timetable modified. SUPW and moral education periods adjusted to organize No Bag Day activities on Saturdays. 22 activities are divided to all the teachers of the school so that they can become expert in organizing the activities. Activities of each house will be announced earlier so that house members can bring necessary materials to do it. After physical education activity, children gather in their respective room allotted for each houses. Activity name displayed on the board. Low cost and no cost materials are used for activity. All the activities are child-centric. They learn the concept by doing it. Elder students in group guides younger ones. Activities are exhibited in the last hours. Every fourth Saturday, children go on march in the village to spread message like importance of cleanliness, construction of toilets, safe drinking water, sending their children to school, bad effects of child marriage and child labor. After the procession, children enjoy with rural games. Now these games are vanishing from the village. Maharashtra SCRT team visited the school to observe the activities taken under No Bag Day. They highly appreciated the effort done by the teachers. Pick and speak, one activity, and discussion. There is another activity, and preparing wallpaper, like newspaper. There are students preparing newspaper. They have taken some cutouts from the newspaper regarding science, mathematics, poem, story, and they fix one drawing sheet. So in classroom activities, the teacher is dominated, but here students are dominated. They have the expression capacity. They are asking and they are talking with their face. So this kind of activity will develop more confidence among the learners. Students are very happy about No Bag Day activities organized every Saturday. It gave him an opportunity to express their own ideas and participate in various activities. Block Education Officer Sri H.M. Khan expressed his happiness over the implementation of No Bag Day activities in this school. Teacher Sri P.B. Mudholmat and SDMC members have put great effort in implementation of the project in their school. The designer of the program, ECO, Sri Vivekanand God Patil, is happy regarding the implementation of No Bag Day activities in the school. No Bag Day is an innovative, joyful learning concept. This effort was highly appreciated by children, public, and education department. Almost all the newspapers highlighted this concept. News and articles are printed in newspaper about the innovative ideas. No Bag Day concept builder Sri Vivekanand God Patil has written a handbook on No Bag Day activities. It will help the teacher to organize activities easily in their schools.